Yep, Bob Davis 321, once again with a video of my homemade 3D printer. Made a few improvements, such as, I hardly see it there, you can see it over here, green packaging tape to hold the ribbon cable in place so it doesn't droop anymore. The LCD display that my camera won't focus on, and a filament spool holder that is up at the top. Makes the thing 2 feet tall, but it doesn't get in the way as much when I rotate it. Also new is nail polish remover, as in acetone, to clean the glass. Otherwise things don't stick that well. In fact, right here is the idler end of the Mandel 90. This is the motor end of the x-axis for the Mandel 90 that I'm printing out. There's my latest book in its original form. And of course over here is my computer running Pronterface. Building it all one layer at a time, so this needs like another 8 hours. But when I tried running the same part under Teacup, it said it needed like 17 days, so it's a whole lot faster. I was actually amazed when I saw this take off under Marlin. It just flew, and I'm like, oh my goodness, is it really possible that it could go that fast? It does the outside edges really nice and slow and quietly. And when it goes to do the fill, it just takes off. So you know when it's really quiet, it's finishing up the last of the outside edge. And soon it's going to take full speed. No, still not going to full speed. There we go. Doing the zigzag pattern there. That it uses to fill in the voids in the center with. Last time I tried making this, the left side came loose on me. In fact, you should see my collection of studs. Quite substantial, the amount of bad parts I've made. Well, that's all for today, folks. See you next time.